This is the AUTLEY ergonomic mouse for righties. Came packaged very nicely right here in this box. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. And my opinion is I like larger mouses. You can see it in size comparison to a regular trackball mouse right here. Inside the package, you are going to get the instructions, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter for laptops and other devices that you may want to plug it into. You get some 3M self-stick grips that you can apply, and I've actually put mine on right here, here, and here. I like that. I like the feeling of that. And you get about a 15-inch or so charging cable because this is a wireless rechargeable device right here. The ergonomic mouse is a 2.4 gig plug-and-play device. This mouse was designed for people with medium to large size hands, and I have large hands. And it even has like a pinky rest right here, which I like. Kind of where it fans out right here, makes it even more comfortable. They warn that it may not work for people with smaller hands. On the bottom here is a compartment for the USB you're going to need, and I plug mine right here into this tower. It has built-in sliders right here, very nice and smooth. I like that. The point of contact for the optical light is right here, and the on-off switch is right here, and it also has an option for on with a light on it. Well, if you flip it all the way up, this light comes on. It's up to you if you want to use that or not. I have it off. On the mouse here, we have the forward button, the back button, obviously the left click, the right click, and we have a scroll wheel on here, and you can press the scroll wheel down and, move the screen really fast if you want to do that. The button on top here gives you the option of 5 different DPI levels, 800, 1200, 1600, 2400, and 4000 DPI. So it's good for all kinds of different stuff. So like if I use this on a surface like this, I would want to slow the DPI down because it just moves too fast. On a big mouse pad like this, I like to keep it at around 1600 or so. That's just me. And the forward and back button here are strategically placed right here by your thumb, so it makes browsing a little bit easier. I like that. It's nice and comfortable. It sits right here, and there's no need to really move the mouse all over the place because everything's right here in one spot. So it takes about 5 hours to fully charge this and about 2 to 3 hours for an 80% charge. On a full charge, it'll last in the area of about 20 to 25 days. When you plug it in, a red light comes on to let you know that it is charging. And that same red light will also flash to let you know when it's time for a charge. And something that I really like is that you can still use it while it's plugged in and charging. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux, but on the Mac OS X system, the forward and back buttons are not recognized. Really important to point that out. According to the manufacturer, if the page direction is wrong when you spin the scroll wheel here, you can go to your mouse settings and close the natural scrolling. This is a great feeling mouse for someone like me with bigger hands. My hands are in a normal resting position. It fits the contour of my palm perfectly. And the cursor moves across my double screen with hardly any movement at all from my wrist. Very comfortable. I like it.